Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have access and a mission. Pick the main metrics and start. Connect to the correct Explore, then use the +Create button to open a new dashboard. Name it clearly. Once done, add your first tile from the chosen Explore, a simple table or KPI. Make sure to set filters at the tile level so you can iterate quickly. Save early and often so you can revert. This gets you into the workspace fast, without overplanning. Now focus on structure. Add a KPI tile for the headline metric, a time series chart for trends, and a table for drill down. Adjust visualization settings, axis labels, decimals, and percent formats so numbers communicate. Once done, create dashboard-level filters and pin them top right. Make sure filters apply to relevant tiles by mapping fields. Use drill-throughs or linked visual interactions to let viewers explore. This central work turns raw queries into an actionable dashboard that finish by polishing labels, adding a brief description, and confirming sharing settings so the right people see it. Make sure to test every filter and interaction, then schedule a delivery or copy the dashboard URL for the team. Once done, lock layout or document version notes. If something breaks, start troubleshooting. Check Explore permissions, validate SQL or derived tables, and verify filter scopes. Often a mismatched field or permission causes failures. Iterate quickly and save a stable release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.